Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Jankcast. Today I would like to go with one more coding challenge named Compound Word, and this question has been frequently asked on Amazon. So the problem, let's dive into the problem. So we need to write a function that takes an array of words and return all the compound words. So if you look at here, right, we have this word star, rock, rock, star, and if you're going to combine this word, it will create a compound word rock star. And similarly like super, highway, highway, and if you're going to combine super with high plus way, and it will give like super highway, or if you're going to combine super highway, then it returns super highway. So we need to create a data structure. Maybe I'll do one more thing. So we need to have a data structure. So a mock data structure should be like maybe we need to have like a mock structure, like it says like compound name, compound word, where we need to push rockstar, and then we need to have a normal word where we need to have a bunch of words like star, rock, rocks, star. I'm not so to resolve this problem. I'm not going with any algorithm. It's just like a straightforward clean solution. We'll go with that. So the approach is like we will try to we will do a iteration. Uh, First, we'll do an iteration where we will grab part one. Let's say like we'll grab a word one, and then we'll do another iteration where we'll grab another word two, and then we'll go with third vibration. So what we'll do like, so the value we're getting from iteration 1 plus the value we're getting from iteration 2, if it is equal to value getting it from the iteration 3, then we will return it into the array, and and also like we will return the normal word. So this is what that direct approach. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not going with any algorithm specific things. So let's write a function for this. So where get compound words function words. Let's call this one control.log get compound words. Okay, so return. We just want to double check whether the function executes or not. Yeah, it executes. Perfect. So now what we'll do, like, so whenever we are going to write a code, we will always go with the conditional checks. If not words, or if not words dot length, then return false. I'm sorry, return null. Okay, now we need to have an array called compound array, or you can say like yeah, we can say like compound, or you can blindly say like word word map. Okay, which has an array structure, and now we'll go with the for loop. Let x is equal to 0, x less than word start length, and then we'll increment with x. Okay, so now we have, let's print this one, console.log words of x. Okay, so we are getting integer words. So the intention is like what I'm going to do, like so on the first for loop I'll get a star, and the second for loop somehow I'll get a rock, and on a third for loop I'll make it like a concatenated word, and I'll assume like we'll get rock star. So we need to have a condition which says like if word1 plus word2 equals concat, then return, and then we need to frame that structure. So this is what the approach is going to be. So let's go with it. So let's do one more for loop. For let y equal to 0, then y less than words dot length y plus plus. Again we'll open this one. For let z equal to 0, z less than words dot length z plus plus. Okay, so now we need to define like let word1 equal to words of x, and then let word2 equal to words of y, and now let concat. So this is going to be word3, so equal to words of z. Okay, so when we are going to have when x equal to 0, that time y will be 0 and z will be 0. So what happens, like star plus rock equal to rock star. We need to check that. And again, like so this sequence can be anyway, like if it comes with rock before and after star, and that also fine. So we just want to get the compound word and the word which which forms a compound word. So let's say like if word1 plus word2 equals concat, then we need to say like return or not return, word map dot push. Let's say like compound name, okay, like compound word is equal to concat, and then normal word will be equal to word1 of word2, and just return word map. Yeah, we'll check this. Yeah, perfect. So finally we got it, like rock star, it comes with a rock and star, and then we have rock star, and then we have like super highway, which frames like super and then highway, and then we have highway, which has been created by high and grade. That's it. So this is like a one kind of solution, and if you want to go with either like one more level, and that means like if you want to go with a minimizing solution, then you can do in such a way like you can skip this two for loops, and then you can do a filter method. So that will be something like let's say let word match equal to word start filter, and then we need to access like word and then I. Here we say we need to define if. So what happens, like we need to ignore the same word. So for that, like we'll say like if x is equal to I, then we need to return a function, return false. Otherwise do like return words dot includes of words of I. I'm sorry, words of x. So we are going to check whether the word dot includes word of x. Okay, so after this we will check the match, console.log word match. So we need to find, we will be getting this compound one match. Yeah, so we got the compound words rockstar. I'm sorry, like maybe we need to do it much more better way. So, but somehow we got the rockstar, rocks, and other each and everything. Yeah, so this is kind of like if you want to minimize this word, then you need to enhance this filter method. But for now, like I'm just going to go with a normal plain for loop. Okay. Hope you guys understand this problem. So yeah, that's it. So for tomorrow I'll come up with one more problem and we'll try to solve this out that challenge. Thank you. If you have any comments or feedback, please share your thoughts on the comment box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up button. If you don't like this video, also please give a dislike for this video. Thank you. We'll meet soon.